Stone wall designs, a timeless and elegant feature. Stone wall designs have been a staple of architecture for centuries, offering a timeless and elegant feature that can add character and sophistication to any space. From rustic and natural to modern and sleek, stone wall designs can be tailored to suit various styles and themes. Types of stone wall designs. Rustic stone walls. Rustic stone walls feature natural, rough-hewn stones that create a warm and inviting atmosphere. These walls often have a distressed or weathered look, adding to their charm. Modern stone walls. Modern stone walls feature clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and a focus on functionality. These walls often incorporate large, sleek stones or stone veneers. Fieldstone walls. Fieldstone walls feature stones that are collected from fields and meadows. These stones often have a natural, weathered look and can be used to create a rustic or vintage-inspired design. Veneer stone walls. Veneer stone walls feature a thin layer of stone that is applied to a surface. These walls are often used to create a stone look without the weight and cost of full stone construction. Benefits of stone wall designs. Durability. Stone walls are incredibly durable and can withstand the elements and heavy use. Low maintenance. Stone walls require minimal maintenance, as they are resistant to pests, mold, and mildew. Aesthetic appeal. Stone walls can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any space, creating a beautiful and inviting atmosphere. Increased property value. Stone walls can increase property value, making them a worthwhile investment for homeowners. Design considerations. Stone selection. The type of stone used can greatly impact the overall look and feel of the wall. Consider factors such as color, texture, and pattern when selecting stone. Pattern and layout. The pattern and layout of the stone can also impact the overall design. Consider using a random pattern or a more structured layout. Mortar and grout. The mortar and grout used can greatly impact the overall look and durability of the wall. Consider using a mortar and grout that complements the stone. Lighting. Lighting can be used to highlight the beauty of the stone and create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Popular stone types. Granite. Granite is a popular choice for stone walls due to its durability and aesthetic appeal. Limestone. Limestone is a versatile stone that can be used to create a range of designs, from rustic to modern. Sandstone. Sandstone is a popular choice for stone walls due to its natural beauty and durability. Bluestone. Bluestone is a dense, hard stone that is often used for paving and wall construction. By incorporating stone wall designs into their space, homeowners can create a timeless and elegant feature that adds character and sophistication to their property. Whether it's a rustic, modern, or traditional design, stone walls can be tailored to suit various styles and themes, creating a beautiful and inviting atmosphere. Dear friends, I hope you would have liked the video and subscribed the channel. Remember to share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned for next video. See you soon.